In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a chart in the TradingView app. If your chart is cluttered with drawings or indicators, or you just want to get back to a clean slate, this walkthrough will show you the quickest way to return everything to default. Different app versions may label things slightly differently, but don't worry. I'll point out what to look for so you can follow along smoothly. Start by opening the TradingView app and tapping the Chart tab. The app usually opens the last chart you viewed, so take a moment to confirm you're looking at the exact chart you want to reset. Check the symbol and time frame at the top. You want to be sure you're resetting the right one, because the change is immediate once you confirm the reset. On the chart screen, look to the bottom right and tap Settings. This is typically the gear icon. Inside that menu, tap More Settings to reveal additional options that aren't shown in the first panel. Now look toward the bottom left of the screen for the three-dot icon. Tap those three dots to open an Overflow or Advanced Actions menu. Depending on your app version and platform, this is where you'll find the Reset option. Here, tap Reset Chart or Apply Defaults. The wording varies by version, but both options perform the same action. They return your chart's visual settings and layout to their default state. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap OK to reset. Once you confirm, your indicators, drawings, and custom visual tweaks on this chart will be cleared and replaced with the default look, helping you start fresh without any lingering clutter. If you don't see Reset Chart or Apply Defaults in that menu, you can manually tidy things up by removing items one by one. Tap any indicator or drawing on the chart to select it. You'll see selection handles or a small toolbar appear. Then tap the trash bin icon to delete that item. Repeat this for each indicator or drawing you no longer need. If something seems stuck or hard to select, zoom out a bit to reveal off-screen drawings, or tap carefully along the line or label to bring up the selection handles. Keep going until the chart looks clean and back to how you want it. That's it. Now you know how to reset a TradingView chart quickly and how to manually clear items if the reset option isn't available.